In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create a real mobile keyboard. We'll build this using Figma and a ready-made interactive template from the community so you can prototype realistic typing behavior without reinventing the wheel. I'll walk you through where to find the right file, how to open it, and how to try it out in presentation mode. Start by heading to Figma in your browser or the desktop app. If you're not already signed in, it's a good idea to log in first so you can access and open community files smoothly. Once you're in, navigate to the community page. This is Figma's built-in library of files and resources shared by designers, where you'll find UI kits, patterns, and interactive demos you can use and customize. On the community page, go to the search bar and type Mobile Keyboard Interactive. This phrase helps you surface prototypes that don't just look like a keyboard, but actually behave like one inside a prototype. Things like showing and hiding the keyboard, simulating key presses, and reflecting typed input. If you see a lot of results, you can scan titles, thumbnails, and descriptions to spot versions that match your platform or style, such as iOS-like or Android-like layouts. From the results, choose a template that suits your project's needs. Consider the fidelity you want, the design system it follows, and how configurable it appears from the description. A quick preview of the file's cover and any included notes will also give you a sense of the interactions it supports, like focus states and variable text. When you've found one that looks right, select it and click Open in Figma. This will load the file directly in your workspace. Give it a moment to initialize fonts and components. You'll be able to browse the layers and frames to understand how the keyboard and input fields are structured, including any variants, auto layout usage, or prototyping connections. Now view the template and try it out by clicking the presentation icon in the top right corner. This opens prototype mode. Interact with the demo as if it were on a phone. Tap the input field to bring up the simulated keyboard, press keys to see characters appear, and observe transitions like the keyboard sliding in and out. If the prototype includes multiple screens or flows, navigate through them with on-screen controls to explore different states, such as sending a message or dismissing the keyboard. When you're done testing, close the presentation to return to the file and review how the interactions were wired. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.